Hello again, I hope you're doing fine today. Well, after finally setting up my Apple Card on my phone, today I finally got my titanium solid Apple Card, the one that only gives 1%. So I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing, well sort of an unboxing, and a setup for you guys because it's only really a one-time setup. And this is after a botch up from FedEx, which luckily I was home, because what FedEx did was they put my Apple Card and package in the wrong address, which is the funniest thing that's ever happened. But how they can get a 5 and a 9 mixed up, I really have no clue. But that was a botch up from FedEx. So luckily I was able to pick it up, caught their mistake, and took care of all that. So when you do get your Apple Card on your iPhone, you can opt in for the titanium version, which only gives you really 1% at this point. And that comes in this nice little firm box, which has this perforation here that I've already taken off. When you open that up, you're going to get a white envelope inside. Pull that out and it has, of course, the Apple logo. And then when you open it up, you have your card with just your name on it, the Apple logo, and the little chip. Now down here, it says to hold your phone next to it, and that way you can start the activation. So it's very easy. Unlike other credit cards, you got to sit there and you got to call them or call the number and type in the number and all that stuff. So I got my iPhone right here, the one that has Apple Card set up. Bring it next to the Apple Card, and as usual, you can see it pops up automatically. It gives you the words activate. So I'm going to move this up a little bit so you guys can see. So I'm just going to tap activate. Says your card is ready to use, continue. And that's it. And then of course it asks to use the wallet and so forth, and your Apple Card that you have in the wallet will automatically pop up. And that's it. You're done. Card is now activated. So then now you can simply take the card out of here, pull it out, and you can see it's pretty well done, titanium, pretty strong, pretty firm in my hands. So this basically is to be used only in places that do not have Apple Pay, because you're only going to get 1% cash back. But anyways, getting 1% is better than getting nothing. So it's worth to have, and maybe eventually most of the places that don't have Apple Pay will get Apple Pay and you'll get your 2%. So that's what I like about it. You can hear the metal, so you definitely know it's titanium. Now, I've also heard that the new Apple Watch will be of this same type of metal, so we'll just have to wait and see for Apple's keynote. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Once you have Apple Card set up on your phone, to set it up at home when you get it, right here, very simple. Just hold your phone next to it, and you're done. It's that quick, that simple. Hope this was informative for you guys. I hope this helped you out. And if it did, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. It shows YouTube that you like our videos here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified when more future videos come out. Once again, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something, and I will catch you later with more.